Greetings from this natural beach on the sea in Värmdö in the Björnö nature reserve. And there is a special reason why I have chosen this spot, because this is only one of the very few spots that doesn't have any wind right now. As I wanted to go to the cliffs where I have filmed several videos, there was nobody there, but it was blowing like crazy. As we have south wind coming from the south, and this end here is mostly facing the north, which means it's a bit secluded. And not a single person here today on this Sunday and 26th of July. And it's time for another adventure with Chris from the sea. So the weekends are always for the sea during the summer months. 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna see in a bit how warm it is in the sea. But let's see how long I will stay here, because if it gets a bit cloudy later, I might head to pick some blueberries instead. I did pick a lot yesterday in salt season. Yeah. Okay, it seems a bit tricky to get in because of the waves, so I will be taking the temperatures, or maybe there I can do it while I'll show you more of the nature here. Today it should be around 19 degrees Celsius, but we shall see. Oh, it feels a bit chilly, so it might be colder than that. Okay, we are dealing with 17 degrees Celsius. So yeah, the water has cooled down. So let's see how long I can stay in the water. Yesterday I did manage to swim 30 minutes in a row, plus 15 minutes. But it was warmer where I was in salt season. Okay, so let's get going and have a nice swim on the sea. I just feel so lucky to be able to come here. Now, to get here, you should take a bus from Slussen to Björnö Naturreservat, which is around 40 minutes, and then it's around 20 minutes walk also. So door to door from my home, 1.5 hour one way, but it's definitely worth it if you ask me. Okay, let's get going. I'm trying to find the best possible way to get in. It seems a bit tricky today because the cliffs are a bit slippery, but I will do my best. All right. He's heading for swim. It's quite refreshing, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we are ready to swim in the sea in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so nice. I have missed this. Now, Värmdö compared to Nacka, it's a bit further out on the sea, which means this is the real sea. as we are here basically in the open sea. And I feel so happy right now to be able to come here to this spontaneous nude beach spot in the nature, as I have started lately to call them Naturist beach, as it is in Swedish language. So yeah, let me now enjoy the sea and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!